Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of online privacy and security, and I'm going to show you a simple yet effective way to enhance your digital footprint. Setting up a custom VPN using the HTTP custom app and a shawodsocks server. This method can make it harder for websites and services to track your online activity, which is a crucial aspect of protecting your online privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the HTTP custom app. First, head over to the Play Store on your Android device and search for HTTP Custom. Install the HTTP Custom app, which will act as our VPN gateway, creating a secure tunnel for your internet traffic. Step 2. Find your shawodsocks server. Next, open a web browser and search for UDP Custom to visit the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create a shawodsocks server, which will act as a secure connection point for our VPN. Step 3. Create your server. On the UDP custom website, click the menu icon, the hamburger icon. Select SSH servers, then click shawodsocks server. Choose a server location that works for you and click Create. Check the reCAPTCHA box and then click Generate Now. You'll now have your shawodsocks server details. Step 4. Copy server details. Make sure to copy the server details. You'll need them for setting up your VPN configuration in the HTTP custom app. Step 5. Configure your VPN. Go back to the HTTP custom app and check the V2RAY box. Tap the gear icon and then V2RAY settings. Tap the clipboard icon to paste the server details you copied earlier. Step 6. Connect and enjoy. Return to the home screen of the HTTP custom app and tap Connect. That's it. You've successfully set up a custom VPN using the HTTP custom app and a shawodsocks server. Remember, using a VPN can significantly enhance your online privacy, but it's crucial to stay informed about the latest threats and update your security measures regularly. Don't forget to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for more helpful tips and resources. The links are in the description. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.